In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make professional PowerPoint presentation with animation. Open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Choose the official Microsoft PowerPoint site and sign in with your account so your work can be saved and synced. Once you're on the home page, select Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. You'll land in the editing view, which is where all the design and content building happens. Let's set a clean foundation with your background. Right-click anywhere on an empty area of the slide and open the background formatting options. Choose Solid Fill, then use the Color dropdown to pick a tone that supports your content. Softer, high-contrast colors often look more professional and keep text readable. As soon as you select a color, the background updates instantly. Now let's bring in visuals. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and then select this device. Browse to a photo on your computer and open it. Resize the image by dragging the corner handles so it scales proportionally and doesn't distort. Position it thoughtfully to balance the slide. Leaving some breathing room creates a cleaner, more polished look. If you see design ideas appear on the right, that's the Design Suggestions pane. Scroll through and pick a layout that complements your content. Click the one you like, and PowerPoint will apply that style automatically, saving you time on alignment and spacing. Add your title by clicking in the title placeholder and typing your text. Highlight it to adjust the style. From the font dropdown, choose a clear professional typeface. Then use the font size dropdown to scale it appropriately and change the font color from the color dropdown so it contrasts well with the background. Aim for consistency. Use the same fonts and a small set of colors throughout your deck. When you're ready for the next idea, add a new slide. Go to Insert and click New Slide. This gives you a fresh canvas for your second page. Here you can insert additional elements from the Insert menu, such as text boxes, tables, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, and charts. Just click the item you want to add and place it where it makes sense. Keep each slide focused on one main point to avoid clutter. To give your presentation motion, add transitions. Click the Transitions tab and choose a transition that fits your tone. Subtle effects like fade often look more professional than flashy ones. Apply consistently across slides to keep the flow smooth and cohesive. That's it. Your professional animated PowerPoint is ready to build out. Keep refining your slides with clear text, quality images, and consistent styling, and you'll have a presentation that looks great and tells your story with confidence.